Hey everyone, welcome to Net Nimble. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share a Google Drive link on Facebook Messenger quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your phone. Here, you'll see all your files and folders stored in Google Drive. Find the file or folder you want to share. Tap the three dots next to the file name or folder name to open the Options menu. Select Share from the menu. At the bottom, under Manage Access, tap the Lock or Not Shared option to adjust sharing permissions. By default, Google Drive sets files to Restricted, meaning only specific people can access them. Tap on Restricted under General Access, then tap Restricted again. Now, switch it to Anyone with the link. This allows anyone who receives your link to access the file. Wait a couple of seconds for the settings to update. Next, you can set the permission level. The default is Viewer, which means people can only view the file without editing. If you want them to comment or edit, tap on Viewer and switch it to Commenter or Editor, depending on what access you want to give. Once you've set the permissions, tap the Copy icon at the top right to copy the Google Drive link to your clipboard. Now, exit the Drive app and open Facebook Messenger. Find the conversation where you want to share the link and open it. Tap on the text field at the bottom, then tap and hold in the text box. Select Paste to insert the Google Drive link, then tap the Send button to share it. And that's it. Your Google Drive file is now shared via Facebook Messenger. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to Net Nimble for more Google Drive and Messenger tutorials. Thanks for watching.